So I just arrived to my camping spot, which, by the way, happy Friday. Today we're going camping, a little solo overnight trip with one of my pups. I'm gonna pick out my campsite right now, doing a little off-roading. I should not be recording myself. Woo. All right. All right, so we got our little spot. Pup. It's a beautiful view. The ranger told me it's gonna be a bit windy tonight, so I'm just gonna set up really quick before I go on like a little walk. And I'll show you guys like my little setup. I sleep inside my 4runner, so it's not that crazy of a setup. Hi. So I'm gonna show you guys my little setup really quick. It's gonna take like 5 seconds. So this is my little setup. I camp in my car, as you can see. They told me it's gonna be a bit windy today, so I'm happy I'm not gonna tent camp. So I have all my blankets. I have like 3 blankets. I have this foam like mattress, like a twin foam vibe. I have my little heater, my water kettle, which are not plugged in. This is like a battery generator, like a battery pack almost. This is the brand that I use. So it's just like a big battery pack. It's already charged. This is like my water. I have, this is gonna be my dinner. I have a whole bunch of like food in my little cooler, my dog's food, my Starlink, which I'm actually not gonna use right now because it's gonna be super windy and there's pretty decent service here. I have my little like night light, which is so cute. How cute is he? My eczema lotion, more of my like toiletries in there, my iPad, my Kindle. So yeah, that's pretty much my setup. This is a pretty last minute, but I packed pretty light. I mean, I'm just in my car, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna take Athena for a little walkie walk, so let's go. This is like me in my most like natural of states. Natural hair, no makeup. Smelling like the outdoors. Love it. Look at this beautiful view. This is what life's about. Should be like a 4runner commercial. How pretty she looks. Hi. So the sun's about to set, so we're gonna make some dinner. Because once the sun sets, I pretty much watch movies inside and close my little door and lock my house up for the night. Where the fuck are my keys? I found my keys. I'm gonna put that next to my, you know, my little pistola. And I'm going to, we're gonna make some dinner. Let's do that. Hi. Oh my god, we should give her a treat. Would you like a treat? Give me a kiss. Oh. My pants are already dirty. I can't do it, guys. It's kind of unfortunate, actually. So, I was trying to do my kettle on this, so I don't think we're gonna be eating this for dinner, unfortunately. So I have some other stuff though. I'm eating these little sushi rolls. I love you. Guys, like, this is what life is about, like, truly. Sitting in your truck, bummy, and this is the view. I don't know, I feel really blessed, very fortunate. I'm starting to see the bugs, so I'm gonna close up. There's buggies. Let's close this up. Hold on really quick. Say goodbye to the beautiful view. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up. I'm moving my campsite because it's so sunny and I can't do anything. It's hot already. It's like 9:30. But while I'm driving, I showed. I just woke up. I wanted to show you guys. Look at these huge birds. I don't know. What kind of birds are these? I drove a little closer. I'm a little scared. I don't want to disturb them any more than I already am. Are they vultures? I don't know. And I turn the corner and there's another big ass fucking bird. Holy fuck. Like an Animal Planet over here. Look how big he is compared to the fucking table. Oh my god. Alright, so good morning. I have to wash my face, so let me show you guys how I do that. First, I'm gonna give Athena some food, actually. She's probably hungry. So we got this, like, nutritional biscuit kind of for them. For her. Some jerky. Like a handful of kibble. Bone broth. Scoopy right here. Yum. My hands, which I use these to wash my hands. So they're really cool. They're soap sheets. They're just really, really useful. And then wash your hands. I've got a good little. We're gonna put my contacts in. First. Deodorant. I'm gonna go home today, so don't need a shower or bird bath it or anything. I'm really somebody that has to do my skincare routine no matter what. you that. So I just have like a little bowl, put water in it, and then wash my face with that. Usually I have a towel, but I forgot one, so I'm using one of my shirts. I put my eczema stuff on like my hot spots to the neck. Put a spot here. Put a spot here. Like a little kibble. Hey baby, you want this? Also just, you know, put it around like the spots that get dry, like above my lip, my nose. And then I put my moisturizer spray. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna put any makeup on because obviously I'm outdoors today, but I will put sunscreen on. This is the sunscreen I've been using. My face actually looks pretty good today in this lighting right here. I'm gonna pack all this stuff up. I feel so much better also. Alright, so back to our normally scheduled program. So I unfortunately don't have hot water. I brought a kettle and the voltage is too much and I didn't check it. I haven't been camping in a while, so I'm definitely off my game. So okay, so this is the coffee I use, by the way. We're just gonna pour this in and how we're gonna drink our coffee today, guys. I've never had this coffee like this, and I don't have ice or like anything. So wow. Not so bad. Vicious a little bit. I wash all my plastic plates unless something really like, so I have one that Don't judge me, okay? I really can't even believe I'm gonna say this, but full transparency, I really hate public restrooms. If I go in them, I almost always gag or throw up. Like, I'm very squeamish. So I have jars and bowls that I pee in. Those ones I do not wash. I get rid of. But yeah, so I pee in bowls, and then, you know, I throw those bowls away. After a while, like, I will leave them in my car. I'm a gremlin. Oh, I love you. Can I have a kiss? Why are you specifically licking my arm? This is what you want to look at when you're drinking your cold coffee. Not even ice, just cold. Breakfast of champions. I feel like, because I live in California, it gets really hot, almost too hot to go camping, but I feel so amazing that I'm gonna vow to myself, even when it's hot, for me to go camping, unless it's dangerous degrees, because I feel so good, guys. I feel so myself, so great. I don't know. I mean, who wouldn't feel great if they woke up to this view? These big birds have come over to my camp spot. Athena's doing really good at keeping herself in control. I know she really wants to chase them. I'm really proud of you. I think they're just getting a little drink. Low-key have drama, so here's my finger. This bird has been beating up this bird. And this bird's just watching. Oh, see, that bird left. He said, I'm not gonna deal with this anymore. I don't know what they were beefing over, but you know, I'm proud of her because she stood her ground. So we're gonna go for a walk before I head home. I have to put on some sunscreen though. Let's go. When you forget your fanny pack, this is what you do. People in the RV, unless this is a really common RV, we're also here, Athena, we're also here last night and bright and early this morning. This is the OG camp spot that we had to move to because there was no shade, but it was nice to wake up with this view so close to the water. Guys, it's honestly hot. Like, it's hot. I don't know what's the fucking temperature? Oh, by the way, I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm at Lake Casitas Recreational Center. It is in SoCal. I think technically it's in Oakview. Let's see what the temperature is. It's actually hot. Oh yeah, it's 74. I honestly want to stay, but I don't think I can do another day of drinking my coffee like that. There's a few things that I want to get now that I'm camping again. So definitely a canopy. I ordered an electric kettle. I ordered a 50-foot leash for my dog so that she can walk around like, you know, really well at camp and still be tied up. What else? So I think that's it for right now. So it's really hot. I'm already sweating. It's only been like a mile, but we're almost back to the car because it's just like hot. My skin is burning. So I'm gonna pack up camp. Okay, so we just got back to camp. I'm actually gonna pack up. It's really hot. We only hiked like half a mile, maybe a mile. Not even a hike, a walk. It's just hot. So I'm gonna pack up and start making my journey home. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for spending some time with me, spending your Friday with me, and I hope you have an amazing, wonderful day. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, save, check me out at omghelena.com, and yeah.